Hello student, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Navodaya Academy. We are Navodaya Kalam se Kranti. In today's video we are going to learn about how to find the factor of any expression of the form x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now whenever we have to find the factor of any expression having three term, then we can think of this method. When we proceed by this method, here we are saying that this value, when compare with this term by this term, then what we are getting? We are getting a plus b is equal to 8 and ab is equal to 15. Now here there is a sign of into, because a b can also be written as a into b is equal to 15. That means we have to find any two number. When we multiply both the number, we have to get 15, and when we add up the both number, we have to get 8 as a sum. So for this, first factorize this 50. Then from here we are getting 3, 5. Now here we are getting only two factors. So if we add 3 plus 5, then it will become 8. And when we multiply 3 into 5, it will become 15. So this one will be easy one. So take it like this only. At the place of 8, we can write it as 3 plus 5x. Now write it as 15 only. Then it will become x square. When this x come inside, then it will become 3x, 5x plus 15. Now take 1x common from here, then it will become x plus 3. Take 1 5 from here, then it will become x plus 3. Now see, in the both term, x plus 3, x plus t coming out, so it will become x plus 3. Now from here it will become x plus 5. Okay, now let us proceed for this one. From here we have to find a plus b equal to minus 2 and ab, that can be also written as a into b, is minus 15. Now for this purpose also, first factorize the value of ab, taking only positive 1. Then from here we are getting 3 and 5. But see here, we have to find minus in their product and also minus in their sum. So for getting this minus, let me just tell you, minus into minus will be plus, plus into plus will also equal to plus, minus into plus it will be also equal to minus, and plus into minus also equal to minus. Now see here, we need minus in their product, so either we have to take this one or this one, then we get this one. But see here also, we need minus in the sum also, so either it will be 5 into minus 3 or minus 5 into 3. From both we get minus 15, but we can't take this one, because when we are taking this one, then 5 plus minus 3 we are getting only 2, but when we take minus 5 plus 3, then we will get minus 2. So we have to take this value, not this one, isn't it? So it will become x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. So take x common from here, it will become x minus 5. Take 3 common from here, it will become x minus 5. Now take x minus 5 from here, x minus 5 from here, it will become x minus 5. Now this x plus 3. So we get our factor as x minus 5 x plus 3. Now let us understand this concept with some more problem. Now see this one. From here we need a plus b is minus 6, ab is minus 16. Now here see that ab, that means a into b, we can also write it as a into b, require is minus 16. For this purpose first factorize minus positive value 16, then from here you are getting this one. Now see, here we need only two number, so we have to change these all to as a two number, so that when we multiply these two number we get minus 16, and when we add this number we get minus 6 as our sum. So, and see here one more thing, we need minus in both term, so we have to take either this one or that one. Now let us convert it into any two term. So take these three, these all 3 2 as a 1, that means 2 into 2 into 2, and other number is 2, so it will become 8 2. But we have to take any one value as negative, so that we get minus 6 from here. If we take minus 8 into 2, then it will become minus 16. If we take 8 into minus 2, then it also become minus 16. But see here we need minus in the sum, so it will be minus 8 plus 2. So from here we get minus 6. So this one will be correct one and this one will be wrong one. So it will become x square. Now minus 8, so minus 8x, then 2, so it will become plus 2x minus 16. Take x common from here, it will become x minus 8. Take 2 common from here, it will become x minus 8. Now take x minus 8 common from both the term, we get x minus 8. Now in other bracket we get x plus 2. Okay. Now proceeding for this one, what we need? We need a plus b is 5 and ab is minus 50. So first factorize positive value, so it will become 25. Now it will become 5. Now it will become 1. Now we have to convert these number as only two number, because here we are getting only two number. So either we take 5 into 5, that is 25 comma 2, 25 comma 2, or 5 to 10, 10 comma 2. If we take these two value, if we add, then also we are not getting 5. If we subtract, also we are not getting 5. But from here see, if we add this value, we are not getting this one, isn't it? No, here 5. When we subtract 5 from 10, then we are getting 5. So this is like that, 10 into minus 5, that give you minus 50. So now it will become x square plus 10x minus 5x minus 50. Take x common from it, it will become x plus 10. Now from here we have to take minus 5, so minus minus plus, so it will become x, minus minus plus, so here also become plus 10. Now take x plus 10 from both one, and here it will become x minus 5. In this manner of way we factorize any expression of the form x plus a, x plus b. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो में एक नए लेक्चर के साथ। तब तक आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू सो मच।